falling apart, losing myself, now it feels it's so hard. Am I running back to where it all started? Can't take a break on this world to survive. Sometimes I feel like I'm no more alive. Am I doing it wrong? Is this why I feel tired? Can you see my struggle? Can you help me through this fight? Something about me is starting to break. The shape of my heart now is cracked like my face. Who am I? Already seeing my name on the grave. People are crying, I don't know if it's fake. Oh, glasses of shots piercing me from behind. Hands are still bleeding, screaming, terrified. If I hang myself, will I be a star? Feeling like walking on a tightrope every day. If I miss a step, will you see as mistake? So tell me what is right. Can you see my struggles? Can you help me through this fight? Something about me is starting to break. The shape of my heart now is cracked like my face. But some